We are following an NBC 26 storm alert. We do have a tornado watch up for just about the entire viewing area until 9 o'clock, so roughly another 3 hours or so. Right now, no active warnings across northeast Wisconsin or the UP. We've had a little bit of hail way off to the north and west, some golf ball size hail reported in Mole Lake, but besides that, nothing else really going on except for some locally heavy rain and some frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Now, the main cluster of thunderstorms so far has been across the far north. We have this other batch of thunderstorms now developing across parts of Outagamie County. As we zoom in just a little bit closer once again to those northern storms, you can see that these thunderstorms are producing heavy rain, probably some gusty winds, maybe some small hail, and also frequent cloud-to-ground lightning from near Niagara to Pennbine down towards Amberg and then west towards Silver Cliff. Earlier, that storm did have a warning on it. We had some large hail within the storm, but as the storm moved off towards the east, it weakened pretty quickly. Now our attention turns to a storm in Outagamie County that continues to develop. Another storm kind of on the northwest side of Appleton has really fizzled here within the last 5 to 10 minutes or so. This storm is tracking off to the north and east, just produced some heavy rain in New London, some gusty winds at times as well. And once again, that is now moving east-northeast along Highway 54. As we zoom out, really, that's it. The storms across northern Marinette County and a storm in west central Outagamie County. Here's a look at the high-res future radar starting at 6 o'clock, and you can see it's got the general vicinity of the storms correct, but it has way too many storms, and you can see what happens here as we head deeper into the evening. It continues to blow the storms up, but based on everything that's happening right now, starting to think that this may not develop as a lot of forecasters thought it might earlier in the day, which of course is a good thing. We'll just have to wait and see. A lake breeze has actually worked all the way inland to about right here. So that is stable air coming in off of Lake Michigan, and it could have an impact on any thunderstorms that try to develop as we head deeper into the evening. Now, having said that, we're under a tornado watch until 9 o'clock. The potential for thunderstorms is still there, and if they can get going, they could be severe. And severe thunderstorms can produce destructive winds, damaging hail, deadly lightning, tornadoes with little or no advance warning, and flooding rain. So seek shelter immediately if a warning is issued for your location. Besides the threat for storms, the big story today, the heat and the humidity. Our warmest day of the year away from Lake Michigan. Temperatures still in the 80s, including 86 in Fond du Lac. It's 82 in Oshkosh. Right now here in Green Bay, we're looking southwest. You can see that thunderstorm across Outagamie County. The temperature is still 83. The dew point is near 70. In Appleton, it is 81 degrees. Dew points are in the very 60s, sticky 60s to around 70 degrees. When you combine the two, the heat and the humidity, you get the heat index. This is summer's equivalent to winter's wind chill. This is what it feels like outside right now in Wautoma. Right now, it feels like 94 degrees. That heat and humidity developing ahead of our main weather maker, which is a cold front. And this cold front is going to just drop south a little bit later on tonight. It'll stall out and then push back to the north tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Behind the front tomorrow, we'll have an area of low clouds, maybe a little drizzle or a sprinkle. We'll see sun and clouds by the afternoon. The big story behind the cold front tomorrow is going to be that northeast wind. At times between 10 and 20 miles per hour. That's going to keep it cooler near the bay and lake. Inland temperature is still well above normal, 70s and 80s, but near the water, it looks like 50s and 60s. The front then shifts to the north by Thursday, 80s to around 90, then return. Now, we tied a record high today at 86. The record high tomorrow is safe, but records on Thursday and Friday are both within play. So tonight, some scattered thunderstorms. Some could still be severe. Overnight lows around 60. Tomorrow, morning clouds, then sun and clouds by the afternoon. Maybe an isolated shower early. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 72. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Wise Women Gathering Place. And we did that on Saturday. I forecast 65. The actual high temperature was 66 degrees. 80s to around 90 return on Thursday and Friday. A chance for a thunderstorm as well. Those could be strong to severe. And then turning cooler over the weekend. And then seasonable conditions return for early next week. We'll be right back.
And this past weekend's Wolf River Basin cleanup, more than 1,600 volunteers were part of that effort, and they collected more than 9